Hello and welcome to our review of the Threeking RC stunt cars. These remote control cars are designed for high-speed action and impressive stunts. With their double-sided driving feature, you can flip them over and continue driving on the other side. And with 360-degree tumbles, you can spin and flip these cars in any direction. But don't let their small size fool you, these cars are packed with power. They can reach speeds of up to 15 km per hour and are made with durable materials to withstand all sorts of rough terrain. The remote control is easy to use, with responsive controls and a range of up to 50 meters. Plus, the cars are equipped with LED lights for added visibility and cool looks. These RC stunt cars are perfect for kids and adults alike. They make a great gift and are sure to provide hours of entertainment. So if you're looking for a fast and fun remote control car that can perform impressive stunts, be sure to check out the Threeking RC stunt cars. Thanks for watching.